How to activate your Joker MasterCard online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your Joker MasterCard online using your browser. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Joker MasterCard online. After you search for that, simply tap on the official site of jokercard.ca. After you tap on that, you'll get official interface of Joker. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right, and from here, simply tap on the option register or activate card. After you tap on that, from here, you'll have to just enter your card information to view your transaction or your balance. Simply enter your card number, your expiration date, your CVV code. After you enter it, tap on submit. After you submit from here, if you ask for the verification, simply follow the prompt sign. This could be a text code or email link. After the verification will complete, you can simply activate your Joker MasterCard online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.